So I ordered these cigarettes off of Amazon. They're tiny. They're tiny. I wanted to give them a shot. You know, because of the corona. We support your no smoking. They're cigarettes.
They individually wrap.
Psych! The candy cigarettes do. What's up, guys? We're doing something a little different today since we're in quarantino. We're gonna be doing a snack crate from Amazon. I have a lovely guest today. Her name's Kenya.
It's Kenna. Hello.
She is my girlfriend. And this is Louise.
She might help.
Say hi, Louise. She is shy. So, anyway, let's jump right into it. We got a snack crate from Amazon for $20. It has 30 different Japanese candies. So we're going to open them and we're going to rate them. And, you know, since we've been not doing anything, we're satisfying our wanderlust with online shopping. So
And eating.
maybe I'll do a video on, you know, how financially irresponsible I am. I don't know. So, all right. Here we go. So here it is in all its glory. Looks like there's some nice things in here.
They're from Japan, not China, so we won't get the Rona.
You know, because of Corona.
So let's open her up, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, cat got scared. Okay.
All right, push it all aside.
Okay.
Don't blow your load all at once, you know. So, let's see. We got, jeez, I don't know. It looks like a gummy. It's a... Well, I don't want to say what it looks like. It's a nipple.
It looks like a dried fruit.
You can just package nipples? Nipples shouldn't just fall off like that. Okay. We'll give that half a squid.
You gotta squid them when you taste them.
What?
Yeah.
No. Half a squid. This must be banana flavored.
Look at that crazy banana. Looks like there's some sort of center in that.
Okay.
This one's a little tea biscuit. Some sort of writing on it.
Oh, this writing, I've seen this on tattoo walls. It actually means green tea and stale.
So this makes me really excited because I loved candy cigarettes as a kid.
Oh, shit.
I think this is hilarious because on the back right here it says, "We support your no smoking." We have some sort of weird
Jello shot.
pineapple flavored.
Jello shot. You know, it's cheap to get Jello shots this way. We got any tequila, hon?
These look like some Japanese Six
Pregnancy
Fits.
control. Birth control.
Or maybe...
Skittles.
Yes.
The poo flavored Skittles. Is that brown or purple?
I don't know. This one looks like some sort of chocolate crunchy bar.
That's like a ripoff of Gumball.
Of course, they had to have
Pez.
Pikachu in there.
Pez, right?
I think it's more like a Haichu. That's what it feels like. Haichu, Pikachu. I see what you
Pikachu.
did there.
Louise is over here. She just wants to eat it.
Speaking of squids,
You know, why would they make the corn in Texas? Just to send it to Japan and then send it back over to me.
they have to add the squid flavoring in Japan.
That's an octopus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What about the back legs? The support
6.
legs. 3 support legs.
Okay, we've got this tall, dark, and handsome mystery candy.
I can't see that. Tall, dark, and handsome mystery candy.
Mm-hmm. We have Gumball and some sort of mad scientist. Feels like one of those cheese sticks.
Yep,
Yeah.
it's cheese. We've eaten these before.
Coffee scotch. Like butterscotch, but not.
Coffee Scotch was my nickname in high school.
Crispy, chocolatey rice cereal.
Hey, and this one isn't in Japanese, so I know what it is.
Love at first bite. We'll see. We've got chocolate cream, whatever that means. Doesn't feel very creamy.
Neither do I.
Actually, it feels like a macaron.
What'd you call me?
These look like
Oyster crackers.
oyster crackers.
Those look like baby snacks.
They do, like those Gerber puffs. Find out. We have a tube of liquid.
Oh, is that Jello? Hey, my neighbor used to have these. My friend, Ron. They were Vietnamese, and they always went to this market that had like Vietnamese snacks and stuff. These were really good. I used to love them.
And what would a nipple be without a pear? So,
They gave us both nipples.
both nipples. We have some sort of sandwich cookie with a child on it for some reason. No idea what these are. Looks like Animal Crossing characters mixed with a ripoff of
Peppa Pig.
Mickey Mouse and Peppa Pig, because that kind of looks like Goofy.
Oh,
Oh, I know these guys. These puff marshmallows. Rock candy or meth?
I hope it's meth.
This looks like...
They're dried up gummy bears. Look at these crusty ass bears.
This is supposed to be powder, but you can feel right here it's just a brick.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sad. No, it is a brick. It looks like Pop Rocks. No, it's bubble gum. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a sucker. I can feel the stick.
This has adorable monsters on it. I'm super excited because it looks like...
Fruit by the foot. Sugar tape.
Yeah, whatever.
Sour tape. Candy.
No idea what this is.
That's Shin-Chan.
This one... I thought it was foggy.
Oh, it's cherry blossom flavor, in case you like perfume.
Some sort of dried fish.
Oh.
Can't wait.
Oh my god, these are for Louise. I don't want this.
Ice stick, lipstick, lollipop candy. Looks a little like something else.
This is for a blowy. Look at, they put pennies. Penwas right on the package.
We won't eat those on camera. Umi mints. Sounds like nerds. Another coffee scotch.
What'd you call me?
Some sort of gummy. And acid. These look like the little...
Fruit donut.
These look like the little things you put in vinegar and water to dye Easter eggs.
So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I didn't want to eat 30 things, so we picked a few to try. This is what we got. What? This is what we got. We're gonna try the cherry blossom fucking perfume thing. The mummified gummy bears. The fish fucking tape. Anchovy chips? I don't know. Jello shot. Pineapple jello shot. We're gonna try the birth control. The Pikachu, Pikachu. Couldn't you?
Texas corn.
We're gonna split a nipple. I don't know if you guys know me intimately, but I do like my fair share of nipples. And then we're going to try the Texas corn, since it's, you know, everything's bigger in Texas. Alright, so let's go. What are we doing first?
Should we... Okay, let's start with...
Cherry blossom.
Yes. Because if it's perfumey, we can wash it off or down
With fish.
With fish. Okay, if I can get it open.
Alright, is it crunchable? Can you bite it
So
in half?
it looks like a actual cherry...
Don't eat it all. I would like some.
I know.
Okay.
But... Okay.
I would like some. Don't
Smells
eat
like-
it all.
It smells like a prune.
Alright,
So...
let's go.
Alright.
Oh, God, that sounds painful.
It's really sour, and I'm pretty sure there's a pit in the middle.
A pit?
Yeah.
Give me that. This is strange. Here. This is absurd. Oh. Oh. Who eats this?
How many squids? 1 out of 5.
No squid.
No squid.
Squid.
Ugh. I can still taste it.
I don't like this. This is disgusting. Who the fuck pays money for those? I did. I guess. Oh.
Okay, now
I'm not licking my fingers because it's good. It's because it's on there.
It's sticky.
Oh.
Alright, wash it down with some fish.
Oh, God. Oh, they already smell so bad. They already smell so bad. That's not good. This does not taste... It tastes like fish bait. Oh, no. It's not even a chip. It's flaccid. It's worse. It's worse. Give me the camera. You eat this. I don't want this.
Oh, God.
What the fuck is this? No, more. Eat more of it. I ate a lot. I ate a lot of it. You shove it in your fucking pie hole.
Okay, so now I try one first.
Yeah.
Let's get something good.
Oh, God. The Texas corn's gotta save the day.
It always does. Leave it to an Americanized Japanese snack.
Texas corn. It's not very big.
I mean...
Get it? Texas?
Oh, I get it.
Give me that. Better, right?
Oh, yeah, it tastes like the cheesy popcorn. It's good.
Oh, it's pirate's booty.
Yeah.
Oh.
Squid booty. Okay, so this
5 squids.
5 squids.
I don't know if you've caught on. We're grading out of squids because numbers are too predictable. What is a squid? It means nothing if you don't like
Even
squids at
Louise is
all.
interested. Should we give her one?
Sniff it.
She might want to give it to her.
I know. Wait, and she licked it. Oh. So I'm gonna try a new one. Oh. It's, you know.
Sixlets.
Yeah. It's...
I'm gonna try one of those bad boys.
Alright, you get poo brown, though.
Okay.
Yeah, it's ciclet.
Okay.
My turn.
It was just your turn.
No.
I'll let you go again.
Yeah. I'm the host.
You also bought it.
Get a close up.
Okay. Looks like a lychee.
What'd you call me?
Okay, make sure it's nice and noisy.
Oh.
Is it good?
It's pretty good. You cry.
Okay. Let's see how quiet I can be compared to that. It reminds me of something.
It's pretty good.
Can't place it. Do I more?
Nah, man, slam that shit. What? Mardi Gras! Spring break! Alright.
Now my turn, because you went twice.
Alright, there's 3 things left.
I want mummified gummy bears.
Go for the nipple.
Okay. I'm guessing these are going to be like rock candy, but we'll see. Rock candy.
Oh yeah, let me get a little nibble. Those are just the bones.
Gummy bones.
Oh, this is good rock candy. It tastes like pineapple. What does yours taste like?
Strawberry.
Interesting. Interesting.
Alright, let's go for the nipple.
Nipple time. Nipple time.
If that is just this dried up, I quit.
Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't smell good. Yeah. Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Oh. No. No.
Alright, wash it down with some... Oh, that bad, huh?
It's dried and concentrated. Oh. Your turn.
Alright.
No.
Oh.
No. You also have to eat this shit.
I already ate it.
I don't care, so did I. Here we go. Shove it in your cram hole.
Oh.
Cram. Dip and sip.
Ah! Oh, I can't.
Chomp and chew, motherfucker. Motherfucker.
Ah! I can't.
Yep. Chew it. Chew it. Eat it.
Oh god, it burns going down.
I paid money for this.
It's so bad.
Okay. Alright.
Then I get to finish off with the Pikachu. Alright. It feels like it's in 2 pieces, so we don't have to... It's exactly what I thought it was.
It's that looks hard and crunchy.
No.
Oh.
Mmm. Oh, maybe it's gum.
Huh. Oh, it is.
It's like green apple gum.
It's sour.
I like it.
What does what's Pikachu have to do with green apple chewing gum?
It's not what he has to do with that. It's what he has to do with Japan.
Alright. So squids all around. How's that?
Let's hope the rest of the basket is better. I just picked out ones that I thought would be entertaining to watch us eat. But hopefully they're not all duds.
So there it goes, guys. That is some of the treats that we got. I will post more treats when I try them if they're really good, and I'll videotape them. I'll videotape them, tell you how they are, how many squids they are, even though I didn't explain how squids work. So, alright, well, hey, it was good talking to you guys, or it was great for me to say words at your face and not have a discussion, because this is a video. I'm signing off. Hey, so I was sifting through these fucking snacks, and I opened up this fucking grape boy that we thought was broken. This shit, this shit is a fucking licking stick, fucking powder baby bottle pop style fucking lollipop. That is crazy. I'm gonna try it. Hold this for me.
Okay.
Just like that.
Oh.
Yeah. That's good. I'm gonna try it. It's very grapey. because, you know, the grape. There's a grape on it. You see the grape? And then you dip it. It's got the powder. Fucking not good. Tastes like diet soda.